The fusion of German technology with Taiwanese competitiveness makes our X5800 5-axis machining centre an affordable luxury for any machine shop. Designed to have a huge capacity with a minimum footprint, this machine can fulfill a wide range of complex machining demands. It's a high-speed machining centre with the Kessler 18,000 RPM 25 to 35 kilowatt built-in spindle. The torque motor drive rotary table is also by Kessler and boasts an 800mm diameter table with a maximum load of 1,300 kilograms. It has 800mm x-axis travel, 900mm y-axis travel and 650mm z-axis travel, giving a maximum working area of 800mm diameter by 600mm in height. With a dual tool option, the X5800 is very accommodating. 32 tools are standard and there's an option for another 32 tools in the second tool magazine, increasing the storage capacity to an impressive 64 stations. Even with such a generous capacity, the magazines have a compact design to maximise the available space. Precision's high on the list. The A-axis is driven by 2 torque motors with up to 80 RPM on the rotary table, and the C-axis is driven by 1 torque motor with a rotary table speed up to 100 RPM. Complex machining is a priority for any 5-axis machining centre, and the X5800 doesn't disappoint. The dual ball screw driven 4-linear guideway Y-axis design greatly reduces vibration during high-speed machining, increasing rigidity and ensuring exact positioning. For more information on the Dugard X5800 5-axis VMC, please go to our website www.dugard.com.